Hi, it's Hanya here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this recipe tutorial, we're going to make small batch of royal icing using meringue powder. This is a great recipe for those times when you need just a little bit of royal icing to decorate few cookies, or you're using royal icing for another decorating project. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start by sifting all of the dry ingredients. If your sugar comes pre-sifted, you don't have to sift powdered sugar. My sugar doesn't come pre-sifted, so I'm gonna sift it. I'm also adding meringue powder. Meringue powder usually comes with cream of tartar in the mix already, but I like to add additional cream of tartar to help prevent overmixing. You can find a full printable recipe on my blog, hanielas.com, and let's have a look. There are some quite large crystals in there, so you can see it was a good idea that I sifted the sugar. Otherwise, I would have my royal icing with these large pieces of sugar, and that's not ideal. I'm going to give it a quick mix, and then we can prepare our wet ingredients. I'm using water, vanilla extract, almond extract, and lemon extract. This is my favorite combo to include in my royal icing, and also I like to use it in my sugar cookie recipe. I'm going to beat this at low speed until it all comes together. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, and this recipe yields about a cup and a half of royal icing. If you see that it's too runny and you're looking for thick consistency, you can add a little more powdered sugar, but not too much, because you can jeopardize the ratio of the powdered sugar and meringue powder is going to be off. And as I can see here, it's pretty thick. This is a great consistency for let's say piping roses and stuff. For decorating cookies, if you're looking for flat consistency, you need to thin it down with a little bit of water to make it flat consistency. I like to store my royal icing in an airtight container, and meringue based royal icing keeps for about a month at room temperature. When stored for a longer time, icing will separate and you'll notice like a yellowish liquid on the bottom of your container. This is pretty normal. You just need to remix it. However, if your icing smells weird, it's time to toss it. So just be mindful of the smell, and you are good to go. So this is how you can make a small batch of royal icing. I hope you find this recipe and tutorial useful. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to Hanielas and get notified about my new uploads by clicking the bell button. And I will see you next time. Bye!